Top 5 largest standing armies in the world. Based on their active military personnel, are 1. People's Republic of China. The Chinese People's Liberation Army, PLA, is the largest standing army globally. With an estimated 2.18 million active military personnel. It is comprised of the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Rocket Force. 2. India. The Indian Armed Forces, including the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force, have a combined strength of approximately 1.4 million active military personnel. India maintains a large and capable military to address various security challenges. 3. United States. The United States Armed Forces, which include the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard, is one of the most technologically advanced and well-equipped military forces globally. It has an estimated 1.4 million active military personnel. 4. Democratic People's Republic of Korea, North Korea. The Korean People's Army, KPA, of North Korea is estimated to have around 1.28 million active military personnel. North Korea's military focus is on self-defense and maintaining deterrence in the region. 5. Russian Federation. The Russian Armed Forces, including the ground forces, Navy, aerospace forces, and airborne troops, have approximately 1 million active military personnel. Russia possesses significant military capabilities and actively participates in various regional and international security affairs.